Hey, thanks for downloading the ultimate online checklist for plumbers and home service companies. You can go ahead and fill out the form right next to me or grab the download right underneath it, but it has been sent to the email address that you signed up with. Now, this checklist is a simplified step-by-step process to help you identify what's working in your business and where there's opportunity for growth and improvement. By getting your online marketing right, we've seen 3 times results, we've seen 5 times results, we've seen 7 times. We see tons of results depending on how many opportunities for growth there are based on this simple checklist. Now, I want to be clear, your website is not an online brochure. It is also not a digital business card. What your website should be is a lead generating machine bringing you leads all day, every day. So as you go through this checklist, there's going to be different sections in it. And in each section, it's going to show you ideas on how to increase your conversion on your website, get more leads coming in. It's going to show you some SEO strategies, how to show up online in more places. It's going to go over your paid ad strategy. Are you running Google ads? Are you running retargeting? Are you running other types of paid advertising? It's going to go through your social media. It's going to go through a whole bunch of different sections to let you find the biggest needle movers in your industry and see if you're doing those or if you can improve on them. Now, let's be real. You don't need more ideas. What you need is a partner that can help you fast track or take a shortcut to get to those results you want. You're busy running your business. Let us handle your marketing. So how do we do that? Well, I want to take you through that whole process, and we can do that by scheduling what I call a lead flow acceleration session. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this checklist and we're going to go through it together. And we're going to figure out where are those opportunities for growth on your website? How can we get it to have more conversions? What kind of paid advertising are you doing? What have you tried? How does your social media look? Are you posting frequently? Are you posting engaging content? We will show you the exact step-by-step framework that we would lay out for your business to help get you more leads and more results. That means more leads, more jobs scheduled, more trucks on the road, more results that you're looking for. So what are the next steps? Well, go ahead and download the checklist. Start filling it out. Figure out where you can improve at. Next, go ahead and fill out this form right to the side right here. It's going to take you to a new page that's going to be my calendar. Go ahead, schedule a time that's convenient for you. Let's get that lead flow acceleration session going and figure out where we can improve at. All I ask is that you show up. We're going to spend a lot of time looking over your website, figuring out what you're doing already. So when you come to this, we already have a good idea on what you're doing, and then we can hear what you're doing, put them together, and really identify those opportunities of growth. It's that easy. If it works out, great. If it doesn't, well, you've got a lot of different strategies, a lot of different ideas to go and apply to your business in the meantime. So that's it. I look forward to seeing you at our strategy session. Bring your checklist, bring some ideas. I look forward to helping you discover where we can get better results for you in your business. See you in your lead flow acceleration session. Thanks.